Welcome to MEI numerical methods errors. In this video we'll be carrying on looking at error propagation. Here we're going to look at the propagation of relative errors. So suppose that we've got two quantities x and y, and as usual little x denotes the exact value and big X is the approximate rounded value, and similarly for y. Then if you remember, the relative errors for x and y were defined as shown here, so we're dividing by the actual value or the true value in both cases, and the relative error for the product of x and y is defined in the same way. So now the value that we're going to actually obtain is going to be based on the two approximate values, so it's big X times big Y. So we're comparing that with the true value, which is the true value of X times the true value of Y. And we're going to show that the relative error for this product is approximately equal to the sums of the sum of the two separate relative errors for x and y. So this is the result we're trying to prove, and if we start with the right hand side, we've got the definitions of Rx and Ry there, and putting them over a common denominator gives us that, and then we're going to split that into two parts. The first part is what we're aiming for, which is Rxy, and then we just need to show that the other bit is sort of negligible. So that can be rearranged to give that, and that is in fact Rx times Ry times minus 1, because notice the y's are the wrong way round. So as that's the product of two small quantities, we can ignore that, relatively speaking, so that Rx plus Ry is approximately equal to Rxy. So here we have an actual example which you might like to pause the video and have a go at. So adding the two relative errors, we come up with that value, and then comparing it with the actual relative error. So we've got little x times little y gives us the denominator there, and that's big X times big Y, and as we can see we've got the same figure to four significant figures. So that concludes this video on error propagation, and we'll be looking at the topic further in the next video.